Good morning, students. Open your grammar textbook. Be ready with your sharpened pencil, eraser, and sharpener, as well as open your page number 12. I was dictating you in a last class or in a previous class sentence number 5 or fifth sentence I was dictating. Here you have nearly 5 dashes. So be careful while entering your articles. Don't go wrong. So once again, I am repeating it so that you can recheck your work or recheck your words, what you have written in your dashes. This is a new mall in the town. The mall has a shopping section, a movie theater, and an ice cream parlor. Sixth one, we bought a second-hand car. We bought a second-hand car last week. Unfortunately, the car broke down after 2 days. Unfortunately, the car broke down after 2 days. The meaning is that we have gone for a second-hand car. Unfortunately, we were unlucky because our car came under repair, or we have to repair our car. Broke down means the car went for repair work. It is. Now look into your seventh sentence. The Wright's brother, the, T must be capital. The Wright's brother invented the first aeroplane. The first aeroplane. Look into it. My grandfather had a heart attack. Had a heart attack. The heart attack has made him very weak. The heart attack has made him very weak. Ninth one, I went on a luxury cruise. I went on a luxury cruise to an exotic location, but the bad weather ruined the entire trip. Ruined the entire trip. The meaning of this sentence is that we went in a luxury cruise. Cruise is nothing but a big ship which goes, almost like a submarine which goes under a sea or under a water. It is. That is called as a, it travels on water. That is called as a cruise. Exotic location means the location, the site was so beautiful and so lovely that it is beyond my explanation or beyond my expression, he says. But the weather turned, the entire trip ruined, means but the weather ruined. Ruined means all of a sudden it started raining very heavily or started pouring very heavily. Because of that, what happened to our trip now? Our trip was spoiled. Ruined means we were not able to enjoy much. Now look into your 10th sentence. I sent him an email. An, E-A-N, because he is there. An email. But the mail did not reach him. Did not reach him means he did not get. I wonder if the address was wrong. I wonder. Now look into your page number 13. Look into your second main. Choose the right articles. The train is late by half an hour. By an hour today or half an hour. The train is late by an hour. Here we don't pronounce that hour. It's a wrong English. H is silent there. We should say the train is late by an R today. A-N, right on there. And go for the next sentence now. He is an MBA student. He is an MBA student because M starts with a M begins or start with a vowel sound. So only he is an MBA. We are filling the dash with an. This is an unique piece of jewelry. This is an unique piece of jewelry. Fourth one, all the pages of this book are torn. All the pages. Fifth one, he plays a piano. He plays a piano and a guitar. Guitar. Sixth one, whenever I go swimming, I get an earache. Earache. That means you get a pain in the ear. And a headache. And a headache. We don't say in English head pain, students. Whenever I speak in English, be very careful about such words in English. We don't say head pain. We say headache, stomach ache, body ache. Sometimes we use the word body pain also. And then we say leg pain, head pain. We don't say leg ache and headache. Leg ache and headache. So here we are supposed to use this ache word for your headache, stomach ache, body ache. There we use the word ache. Be careful. And earache, or sometimes they use the word ear pain also, they use it. Now look into a seventh one. The station is on the right, not on the left side, not on the left. Eighth one, every winter birds migrate to the north. Read on the, it is sure, it is a definite sentence. Where do the birds migrate during winter season? The birds migrate to the north or to the place wherever they have a summer season, where they can take a shelter and they can survive. Once the winter is over in their country, once again they go back to their country or to their hometown. North, in spring they fly to the south again. In spring they fly to the south again. Ninth one, Mother Teresa served the poor and the needy. Needy means those who are in need of help, and the needy. 10th one, the plane leaves the airport at 5:30 p.m. The plane leaves the airport at 5:30 p.m. Come on, look into your third heading now. Complete the passage with the suitable articles. Come on now, start your work. Ashutosh is an Indian citizen. Ashutosh is an Indian citizen. Fill your dashes properly, don't go wrong. He is an IAS officer. He is an IAS officer. He has an ID card. He is an MA. I told you, M is giving the whole sound there. He is an MA with a PhD. His father is an engineer. And his mother is a doctor. He is married to Jennifer, who is an American. Fill your dash correctly and properly. American citizen. She is an interior designer by profession. Ashutosh met her when he visited the USA. Ashutosh is an intelligent person. He was the topper in the civil services exam. He was the topper in the civil services exam. He wants to serve the poor and improve the condition of Indian villagers. He wants to serve and improve the condition of Indian villagers. Villages it is, not villages, villages. Now look into your second paragraph. In the early hours of today, there was an accident on Vijayawada highway. He was taken Vijayawada highway. There was a collision between a car and a bus. The car driver, bus full stop. The car driver was taken to hospital in an ambulance. The X-ray was taken. The X-ray showed an injury to the spine. A case has been registered against the driver who is absconding after the accident. So now once again, I'm going to read the complete passage. But if you have gone down, if you have gone wrong in your filling the dashes, better check your dashes and erase and rewrite it now itself. Complete the passage with suitable articles. Ashutosh is an Indian citizen. He is an IAS officer. He has an ID card. He is an MA with a PhD. His father is an engineer and mother is a doctor. He is married to Jennifer, who is an American citizen. She is an interior designer by profession. Ashutosh met her when he visited the USA. Ashutosh is an intelligent person. He was the topper in the civil services exam. He wants to serve the poor and improve the condition of Indian villages. Now look into the second paragraph. In the early hours today, there was an accident on Vijayawada highway. There was a collision between a car and a bus. Collision means both of them dashed against each other. The car driver was taken to hospital in an ambulance. The X-ray was taken. The X-ray showed an injury to the spine. A case has been registered against the driver who is absconding after the accident. Absconding means leaving the vehicle and running away. That is the meaning. It's called in English as absconding it is. Now look into here. Fourth main. Correct the errors in the following sentences. Here he has given you already the sentences and he says to correct the errors, the mistakes which have been simple mistakes here and there which has been committed in your sentence, or here and there some words have been wrong, some words have been jumbled and written here and there. Now look into your first sentence. He goes to the college every Sunday. Now take up the right answer now. He goes to college every day. Read on the sentence now. He goes to college every day. Now look into your second sentence. We will go to Shimla in this summer. So you are going to write down the sentence. We will go to Shimla in summer. Only the word the you have to round off or remove. Come on, write down the answer now. We will go to Shimla in summer. Why in summer means? Because the weather will be very pleasant during summer season. Shimla is a very beautiful and a very nice hill station of India. It is. During a winter season, it will be covered by snow. So one day, he says that we will go to Shimla in summer to enjoy the Shimla's scenic beauty. Now look into a third sentence. She is an European lady. She is an European lady. Now write down the answer. She is a European lady. Why you are writing as you are not an? Because European word begins with your YU, a consonant sound, European. YU is here a consonant sound. So only we are writing as she is a European lady. Hope you have written already. Now look into your fourth now. It will take a year. It will take an year for her to recover. Write down the answer now. It will take a year for her to recover. It will take a year to recover. That means she's not keeping well or she's not all right. Maybe her health is not all right. So on the recover means she's going to improve her health within a year. It is. Now look into fifth one now. Music of this movie is good. The music of this movie is good. Now write down the answer. The music of this movie is good. The music of this movie is good. You are adding only the word there, the there. Now look into your sixth sentence now. President will visit Hyderabad. Your answer is the president will visit Hyderabad. Your right answer is the president will visit the Hyderabad. What is president here? President is nothing but here designation, a post. Now seventh one, the sugar is bad for your teeth. Teeth is a plural word here. In English, we say singular as a tooth. See the difference here? I have a toothache today. Means here one is paining, so that we call as a tooth. If the whole means we call it as a teeth. Followed now, more than one tooth, it is called as your teeth. Take up the answer now. Sugar is bad. Sugar is bad for your teeth. Sugar is bad for your teeth. What is sugar here now? Your sugar is uncountable noun. We cannot count sugar. Only we can say that a heap of a sugar or a mound of sugar is there. We cannot count. Now look into the eighth one now. We ate the dinner at a restaurant. We ate a dinner at a restaurant. We ate a dinner at a restaurant. Right on now. We ate a dinner. We ate a dinner at a restaurant. Now look into a 9. It is 7 o'clock, but he is still in the bed. Write down the answer. It is 7 o'clock, but he is still in bed. It is 7 o'clock full stop, but he is still in bed. Remove your da or strike off your da. Bed is referred to what? For sleeping it is so, no article is used there. Now look into your 10th one. This is second time that she has called me. Take up the answer now. This is the second time. This is the second time she has called me. Now look into 11th one now. Rich should help the poor. You are supposed to add only one word there. The rich should help the poor. The rich should help the poor. Now 12th one. He was born in 70s. He was born in the 70s. Nothing but a year. It is 1970, 1971, 1975. So he was born in the 70s. Take up the 13th one. I have never been to Philippines. It's a foreign country, a small and a beautiful country it is. I have never been to Philippines. Take up the answer now. I have never been to the Philippines. Philippines is name of a country it is. Now look into your 14th one. Bipin plays piano very well. Answer is Bipin plays the piano. Bipin plays the piano very well. Because here piano is a musical instrument. So we are using what now? We are using the word here, the. Bipin plays the piano very well. Now look into your 5th main. Complete the following. We are already in page number 15 it is. Now look into these dashes carefully and write the dashes with the articles. Omit the articles where it is not required. Not required means not needed, you need not write it. The first is owls are active at the night. At the night. Fill the dash with the. They are not seen during the day. During the day, because during the day, owl's eyes will not work. They go blind. So only during the night time, their eyes will become active or they can see it very clearly and properly it is. Now look into yourself. Second sentence, I love the Christmas. I wake up early in the morning. I love the Christmas. I wake up early in the morning and look for gifts under a Christmas tree. Under a Christmas tree. Now look into your third sentence. I always watch news on a television. On a television. Sometimes I listen to songs on the radio. Sometimes I listen to songs on the radio. Means I hear it. Watch means here I see it, see the television. Now look into your fourth sentence. Many people died during the freedom struggle. Many people died during the struggle, freedom struggle. Means many Indians, many innocent Indians as well as the warriors have lost their lives during a freedom struggle movement it is. Next one, someone has broken into our house. Call the police immediately. Someone has broken into a house. Immediately call the police. Call the police immediately. Sixth one, the Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. The Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Seventh one, he is an agent. He is an agent in an insurance company. In a insurance company. Next, you must use a HB pencil to mark your answers in the test. You must use a HB pencils to mark your answers in the test. Now look into 9. He was sent to the prison for theft. He was sent to prison. Prison means jail it is or lockup it is for theft. She is going to the office. She is going to the office. Come on, students. Look, turn the page. Page number 16 it is. Here the passage is given. I am going to read the passage. By that time, you will be ready with your answers, I feel. Because the answers are given there itself. Short and simple answers have been given there. Now, just follow my passage reading now. Sixth main, read the passage. A ship is a common mode of a transport which can carry hundreds of people at a time, though it is known to be a safe mode of transport. Some disasters have occurred too. In 1839, the ship Victoria ran into another ship and sank. In just 11 minutes, drowning 358 people, that is 358 people. When the Titanic set out on her voyage to cross the Atlantic Ocean in 1912, everyone thought that it was unsinkable. Titanic struck an iceberg. The iceberg tore 6 holes into the side of the ship, causing the icy water to pour in. There were lifeboats only for half of the passengers. Rest sank with the ship or jumped into the icy sea. Almost 1,513 people perished, the worst sea disaster of all times. Here he has given about a ship it is. Already you can see the picture there. A ship is a common mode of transport. For that area, in that country, ship was the only means of transport. Carry hundreds of people at a time, nearly thousands of. So the ship came, some disaster occurred too. Some accidents have taken place. In 1893, the ship Victoria rammed into another ship. Here rammed means both of them dashed against each other. Head-on collision was done. When in the year 1893. And then how many people were drowned in water? 158 people were drowned. When the Titanic set out on her voyage to cross the Atlantic Ocean in 1912, everyone thought that it was unsinkable. So now, in the year 1912, they have already sent one more ship. What was the name of the ship now? It was given as a Titanic. It was Titanic ship. The name of the ship was Titanic. And this ship, they thought that it is so big and huge, it is unsinkable, means it may not drown inside the water, like it may not go inside the water, or it may not go deep. It may float, it may move on water, these people thought. Titanic struck an iceberg. See, the Titanic ship also went and hit to a very big iceberg, means a snowy mountain type. The iceberg tore 6 holes into the side of the ship. So now this iceberg was so strong and powerful that it went and hit a Titanic ship and causing, means storing the 6 holes, means 6 holes were made because of such a huge force. The icy water poured in. When the holes were made by the iceberg, it was so strong and so powerful that what happened to the water now? The ice with the full pressure and with the full speed it went and hit the iceberg. So this iceberg started melting. When it melts, it becomes water. So now this water started pouring in, getting inside the Titanic ship. There were lifeboats only for the passengers, only for the half of the passengers. So in time of emergency or during the emergency, so what do these people do now? They carry the lifeboats. Means they have an extra small boats where they can save their life or where they can swim for the safety on the shore. But these passengers were many in number. The lifeboats were only half, means 50%. The rest sank with the ship or jumped into the icy sea. So some people, out of scaredness, frightenedness, what they did now, they started jumping into the icy water to save their lives. Poor people, they never knew, because whatever flashed at the time of emergency, at the time of accident, whatever flashes to mind of the human being, they act in a way, they act in such a way. So these people, they started jumping into the water from a ship to save their lives, to survive. About 1,513 people perished. So nearly 1,513 people perished, means they were dead. The worst sea disaster of all times. For so many years, that was the worst, that was the very bad, where we have lost so many passengers in a Titanic mishap or accident, he says. Now take up your answer now, answer the following questions. Come on, get ready with your pencil and start writing now. How did the Titanic sink? So write down the answer. The Titanic sank when it struck an iceberg. Come on, write down the answer. Even me also is going to write down the answer on the board. First answer is the Titanic sank when it struck means hit, it is hitting or dashing, struck an iceberg, means a block type of ice it is. Take up the second answer now. The iceberg tore 6 holes into the side of the ship causing the sky water to pour in. Pour in means coming in. to pour in. Third answer now. Victoria sang. Sing is present tense, sang is past tense, sang in the year 1893. Now fourth answer is the Victoria sang when it rammed into another ship. Fifth answer, about 1513 people perished, P-E-R-I-S-H-E-D, perished when the Titanic sank. Yes, once again, just I am going to repeat the questions. You are just going to follow the answers now. How did the Titanic sank? The Titanic sank when it struck an iceberg. Full stop. Second question is, what happened when the Titanic struck an iceberg? The iceberg tore 60 holes into the side of the ship, causing the icy water. Here it should be icy, by mistake I have done. Sky water, icy water to pour in. Third question is, in which year did Victoria sank? Victoria sank in the year 1893. Then fourth question is, how did the Victoria sink? The Victoria sank when it rammed into another ship. Now fifth question is, how many people perished in the Titanic when the Titanic sank? About 1,513 people perished when the Titanic sank. So write down the answers where the space is provided for you. So let me teach you about nouns in the next class. So better be ready with those who have a textbook, be ready with your textbook, be ready with your sharpened pencil for your next class, your eraser, your sharpener, your pencil must and should be ready. And those who don't have a textbook, for the time being, you copy in your single rule notebook. When you get admission, you can go for your textbook writing, and you have to complete the previous pages which have been already taught for you. And the students, those who don't have an English textbook also, better you try to take books from the school as early as possible. Better get admitted fast so that you can, so the textbooks and the classworks will help you a lot in your coming test.